Hey peeps, did you know extinct animals? Guess it right. This massive bird stood over feet tall, had a long neck, small wings, and a large beak. What's the name of this flightless feathered giant? It's the elephant bird. This giant shark had serrated triangle-shaped teeth. What's the name of this extinct ocean predator? It's the megalodon. This enormous tortoise had a huge dome-shaped shell. What's the name of this island reptile? It's the giant Galapagos tortoise. This prehistoric predator had long, saber-like canine teeth. What's the name of this big cat? It's the Smilodon, also called the saber-toothed cat. This giant deer had massive antlers that spanned feet wide. What's the name of this Irish mammal? It's the Irish elk. This enormous snake measured over feet long. What's the name of this giant serpent? It's the Titanoboa. This flightless bird from Mauritius stood about feet tall and had a long beak. What's the name of this naive island dweller? It's the dodo bird. This shaggy giant had long tusks and was one of the largest mammals to walk the earth. What's the name of this extinct animal? It's the woolly mammoth. This striped animal was related to zebras. What's the name of this African equid? It's the quagga. This odd, nocturnal bird from New Zealand had a rounded head, forward-facing eyes, and no ear tufts. It made eerie, laughing-like calls. What's the name of this bird? It's the laughing owl.